David Bell, WITT Gas. David, give us a quick overview for the people that don't know WITT. Tell us about WITT and what you guys sell to distributors.
WITT's a global company. All the products are made in Germany. We operate in all the Western countries in Europe, India, and 60 other countries around the world. Our factory in Germany has about 300 people in it. WITT USA, we didn't start here in the USA until 2010. Okay.
All right, very good. And looking back on 2023, we're here at the annual. Give us some of the wins that you're particularly proud of from 2023.
Well, one of the things that really benefits WITT in the USA is that we stock a lot of items, where with the COVID and the pandemic and other supply chain issues, it really didn't affect us. So we were able to stock items of the everyday core type products, which really gained us a lot of business and confidence in the distributor network. They know that if they call us most of the time what they're looking for, we'll have an inventory.
Okay, and looking ahead to 2024, what are some of the things that distributors should be on the lookout for from WITT?
Well, the biggest thing is our push into gas mixer technology. Two big markets there. Laser processing, where they're using fiber lasers to cut material with a mixed gas. We have mixers that will deliver up to 400 PSI, will take 600 PSI in. And right now we're recommended by 4 different laser manufacturers for our gas mixers. The other market is modified atmosphere food processing, which there, the auditing trail for the food processed gas is very important. We actually build gas mixers of onboard computers that track all that so they can find their documentation through the computer at any time.
Very good. All right, well, there you have it. That's a quick update from WITT Gas. We appreciate you, David. And if there's anything else you want to talk about,
just call us up. We probably have what you need.
All right. There you go. Thank you.
Thank you.